Fight! I am the danger.
Oh! 3, 2, 1, 아우! 굿! 인사.
There are many similarities between teaching and fighting. Today, I'll show you some of them here at my kickboxing gym. What makes a good instructor?
예, 제 생각에는 이제 이해와 소통이 필요하다고 생각합니다. 그리고 이제 일단 소통을 하기 위해서 선생이 학생에 대한 이해를 해야 되고, 그리고 이해를 함으로써 이제 그 학생 하나하나에 대한 부족한 점을 이제 보완해 줄 수 있는 거기에 맞는 교육을 할 수가 있다고 생각을 합니다.
And it's so important for teachers to have a routine when students walk into class. For us, we come in, we know we're going to warm up, and we're ready for the day ahead. Good teachers make procedures and routines for their students to know exactly what's happening in the classroom. So warm up your students. When starting your lesson, teachers have to scaffold to make sure that all the students understand. Give them activities that they can practice on their own to improve their skills or their knowledge. Like with the sandbag, to practice some of the things on their own. During class, it's very important to get students to work together, so make pair activities or group activities. That way they can socialize and they can learn together. And also, it allows the instructor to walk around and check up on the students to see what mistakes they make and how they can help them. 1, 2, ducking, 2, 1. 1, 2, younger. Role playing for students is ultra important so that they can practice some of the skills they will use in the outside world. So, get your students to use mitts and work together. As teacher, you are the authentic knowledge in the classroom. You've got to work with your students. Ask them questions. Constantly engage them. When you get to know them, when you ask them questions, they are building experience with you and they're becoming more comfortable with you and the material. Okay, so it's very important to do some sparring with your students too. What does that mean? It means that you've got to allow your students the opportunity to have real world experiences.
킥은 이걸로 해야든지.
So when they do get into those situations, that they've got the confidence to do their best.
Fight. I am the danger.
Three, two, one, 아우. 인사.
Learning new skills like boxing or kickboxing or fighting or a language have similarities. It's up to us as teachers to be the best instructors or teachers we can be for our students. So I hope you learn something from these concepts of boxing and teaching and you apply them in your classes. I'm Eric from Edicute and I'll see you next time.